Hi, I'm Kelly, a product development manager at Vera Bradley, and I'm here to show you my travel takes for my weekend trip to Chicago. My go-to bag is the iconic Weekender. Fits all my extra outfits. It's a great size for overpacking, washable. It also has a great base, so it fits easily behind the seat. I love traveling with the hanging organizer. It's water resistant. It's large enough to fit your full-size toiletries and see-through to keep you organized. I love, love, love jewelry. This jewelry organizer is perfect to fit all your bangles and earrings and small enough to fit inside the Weekender. The Mallory Tote is literally the best. It holds everything, so I have my lip glosses, sunglasses, everything. Keeps me organized, goes with everything, and has a great outside pocket for your cell phone. Because I have so many outfit options, I also need an additional purse. The Mallory Petite Crossbody is perfect. It's hands-free and goes with everything. Great for an evening out. And the girl has to have options, so if you are like me, you have lots of shoes that you need to pack, but the Market Tote is a great size to fit all of them. The lunch cooler is also great for me to have my lunch and snack for the trip. Bungalow on the beach. I love a little privacy. Go fish. Ooh. Adventure. Girls Getaway. High heels. You always look so much better in them. Navy Pier. Morning glory. I go to bed at 8 p.m. Ooh. Flirtini. Bold red lip. I love a pop of color. I love Chelsea green. Windows down with the music blaring. Those are my travel takes for my weekend road trip to Chicago.